we know that the first thing we need to do is present as relevant a fashion offering as possible. Um, and as the customer has the product in their shopping bag and leaving the store, that's when you say, "Oh, by the way, this was a sustainable choice." And like some of the best products that we've made, like the collaboration we did with Made.com, which is this homewares collection made from secondhand denim. It's just a really attractive product, and I think the real fun thing, I don't know, and just having this design bug in my head is not selling sustainability, but making a really engaging product from a sustainable thing, and
Mm.
that's a lot of fun. When you can sort of fall in love with things that are used, things that have patina. You can weave in some Japanese sashiko denim repair, and you can make a really engaging product. I feel like I know that I know this is a sustainability panel, and that's what we should be focused on. But really, what occupies our day most of the time, and what gets me really really excited, is about how can I make a sustainable offering, but how can I make it a really engaging offering? How can I outsmart the other guy, and how can I do it through use?